Here is how you can change the language in VLC media player on Android. So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. I assume that you don't mean like the UI language, like, you know, the language of the menus in here, because it just reflects your language of the phone, right? But you probably mean the language of the track of the video that you are watching, right? So if I get inside in here and I tap on some of the videos, right, I can make it go like this and play in the full screen. And in order to change the language, you actually have to tap on the subtitles icon in the bottom left corner. So if I tap on it like this, it gives me not only the option to change the subtitles, but also change the audio track. So in this case, I only have the selection of going with the disabled audio or track 1, which says English. Obviously, if you have more available, then you will have the ability to switch in between them. There is actually an app, which is this one right here, which allows you to basically use or add a video in here and add multiple different tracks in here. So as you can see, I added 1 and 2. It contains 2 audio tracks, and when I saved it right in here into a folder in there. By the way, I'm going to link to the full tutorial because that was way too fast, right? But inside of this Files app, I have now created a video file which contains 2 audio tracks. So if I open this through the VLC, you'll see right away that so let me do it again. You'll see that there is going to be the selection to change between the audio tracks, right? So if I click on the subtitles right now, you can see I can pick between a track 1 and a track 2, and that is a way to add the audio files or change the languages, right? So as I said, I'm going to link the tutorial on how you can add a different audio track into your clip through the app right here, so you can check it out if you are interested. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know if I helped you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.